learn to keep your hands off my girl!
Get out of here! The cops!
You're lucky, Jimmy. I'll kick your ass later.
Get back here! Stop! I'm an officer of the law! The fuzz! Let's go!
Get out of here! The cops!
Hey, Jimmy, help me get to the crane. Hey, come close.
All right, boys, good work. I got him where I need him. I'm coming for you!
Let's begin messing with Jimmy. Hey,
Watch
like
out,
that,
Jimmy.
grease bomb. Just one more down. He's gonna get all your grease bomb. Looks like you're a little rusty. Jimmy's my friend. He's gonna get all your grease bomb. That's awesome. I'll get to the crane.
I'm coming for you! Watch out, Jimmy!
Let's see how you do in an even fight.
Coming for you, kid!
Oh, is baby gonna cry?
I didn't learn at all!
I told you, I was the daddy. Got it? I'm in charge. You do what I say.
All right, I give up. You can have her.
Who? What are you talking about, Johnny?
Lola, you win. She's yours.
This has nothing to do with her, man. I don't care. You can keep that slut for yourself.
What? You don't want her? Then why did you do this? Why'd you fight? Just to prove you're tougher than me?
That's right. And don't you or your boys forget it. I'm tougher than you, so maybe now you'll stop bullying everyone. You work for me now.
Oh, man.
I'm starting to feel pretty good about myself. I've just taken control of two of the school's worst cliques, but I know there are bigger problems just around the corner. Problems with overdeveloped pituitary glands and brains the size of peas. The thing is, Pete, now that I'm cool, I'm not sure we can be friends anymore.
What?
I'm messing with you.
Real funny, Jimmy. Well, when you're done with this place, a career on the stage awaits. Maybe like a male stripper or something, huh?
What?
So, what about Gary?
I haven't seen him, but whenever I hear somebody say I used to be a girl and had a sex change, or that my mother slept with Crabblesnitch to get me in here, I think to myself, Gary.
What a jerk. You don't even call me a dork.
Well, I guess he's not always wrong.
Is that what you really think? Whatever, Jimmy. You know, I stand up for you and you still think I'm a dork. You're a jerk.
And you're a dork, so we're equal.
Whatever. I'm leaving. Ow!
Now maybe next time you'll watch where you're going.
What'd you do that for?
Oh, I'm sorry, Psycho. Did I hit your boyfriend?
Yeah, Psycho, you gonna try to kick our asses now?
No, I think I'll do that more publicly.
Ooh, I'm really scared right now, really scared. I take down linebackers every day, pal.
Whatever, pretty boy. You'll get yours.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Go have some fun in the communal showers. Ooh, I just dropped my soap. Please pick it up for me.
Ted.
Losers. Petey, get up.
Jimmy,
I think we found some new people to have some fun with.
Jimmy, I gotta go. Hey!
You're on camera.
Miss Phillips?
Up yours!
I shall deal with this.
Hey, you dressing like get lost!
Later.
Don't let the girls see me like
I'm
this!
so
I was just messing around. Smell you later.
Hope you're anyways, bye. Academy.
Please leave your assignments on my desk as you enter. Oh, right. I didn't give one, did I? Oh, well. Keep up the good work. You're almost done. Fascinating, isn't it? No, no, no! Not like that! Good work. You have a future in chemistry. Fascinating, isn't it? Very good. Carry on. Excellent work today, Mr. Hopkins.
That's how it's done. I think we can call that a wrap.
Did you ever tell your
I may be a loser, but at least I've got loser friends to hang out with.
Whatever.
We wouldn't let you into our gang, Pete, because you're weird.
Weird? Look at you. You've got a weak bladder.
Hey, Algie, I need some help. I've got a plan to take over those jock scum.
Hey, Jimmy.
Hey, so what do you say, Algie?
Us help you?
Yeah, think of everything I've done for you since I got here.
You? You're like a bouncer. We're a bit above helping people like you. I mean, get real, duh. Pea stain. Now you need my help. Forget it.
Damn!
Well, you know what you gotta do now, don't you?
What, beg?
No, get to Ernest. He runs that clique with a rod of iron. You get him on your side, and you got the rest of them eating out of the palm of your hand.
How? By joining the trigonometry club?
No, that would never work. You gotta show him who's boss.
You might be onto something. See you later.
Hey, wait, Jimmy. Can I come for once? Greetings and salutations. A fat kid can only take so much!
Hey, losers! Mind telling me where your fearless leader is?
I'm afraid your diplomacy skill is too low. We won't tell you. He's at the observatory, but don't tell him I told you. Remember the code of the warrior.
Forget it, Hopkins. You're not getting in without the key code. Okay, it's 1138. Please.
You're in my domain now, Jimmy. Prepare to suffer. Your aggro management won't save you, Hopkins. Are you still trying, Jimmy? You are bloody-minded, I have to give you that.
That's more like it. I like it when you try to escape. Cool.
How do you like it so far, Jane? This is only the beginning. Get him before he damages the Transformer!
Time for another go.
Help your fellow Bulwark Academy.
Looks like it's time to do the second assignment. If you finish before time, I'll let you go early. That's right! Well done. Good show. Good one. Keep it up. Good one. That's right. Well done. Good show. Keep it up. Well done. That's right. Good one. Good show. Keep it up. Well done. That's right. Good show. Good one. Keep it up. Good show. Good one. Oh, you remind me of myself at your age. So full of hope, so full of vigor.
Now you've made me mad!
Get off me!
Don't hurt me, please don't!
I'm great! Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
Do you mind giving me a hand?
I may be a loser, but at least I've got loser friends to hang out with.
Whatever. You've unleashed my barbarian rage!
Hey, losers. Mind telling me where your fearless leader is?
I'm afraid your diplomacy skill is too low. He's at the observatory, but don't tell him I told you.
I feel tougher already.
Don't hurt each other.
Forget it, Hopkins. You're not getting in without the key code. Okay, it's 1138. Why must you always resort?
You're in my domain now, Jimmy. Prepare to suffer. Your aggro management won't save you, Hopkins. How do you like it so far, James? This is only the beginning.
Ernest, what are you doing? Give it up, dork. You work for me now.
You're pathetic. You've defeated my weakest compadres. You've just met your match.
I want us to be friends. I need your help.
I've had friends like you. The kind who treat you like dog muck on their shoes. No thanks, bud.
Come on.
It's my brains against your brawn. Welcome to hell, Jimmy Hopkins! Yeah, I have chicken legs. So what? Huh? This is just a prototype. Soon we'll all have one. Oh, you'll like this, Jimmy. This is for you, Jimmy! Got a present for you! You like this? Why do you have to be such a bully, Jimmy? Why? Can't we all just get along? No, we can't because you're a bastard. You think it's funny now. One day I'll invent a better nuclear bomb.
Maybe now he'll listen to me.
Here, just take it. You're just like everyone else, picking on the little man.
I'm not like everyone else. Honestly. Now listen, we both want the same thing, to teach those jocks a lesson. From now on, we're buddies.
You have a funny way of showing friendship.
We're friends. We work together. Got it. Man, I hope Ted doesn't make me wide receiver.
Hey! Only athletes are allowed in here.
Whatever. I'm better than any of you losers.
Oh, yeah? How about we beat you in a game of dodgeball?
You don't have a chance against
We
Team
got the
Nerd.
power of friendship behind our
I'll
team.
try not to hurt you too bad.
This is my time to shine, so just know
See you
that.
during visiting hours, Win.
My mom says you should leave me alone.
Oh, yeah! How great was that?
Let's try not to lose this time, guys.
We're gonna win because we're better.
See you during visiting hours, Win.
You better be ready to lose because I'm ready to win. Okay, you won. I guess you can use the clubhouse.
Thanks. I'll be sure to visit you often.
That's disrespectful. Now I'm gonna have to beat you. What?
Sir, please help. Studying is more important than dating.
You're beneath my contempt.
Oh, hey, Jimmy.
Hey, Pete.
Yo, Jimmy, I'm over here. Give me 5, dude.
No.
Yeah, well, Cat, looks like your homies took care of some lames for us.
What are you talking about?
Don't get fresh with your homies.
Can you please talk normally?
This is my normal style of rapping, bro.
All right, enough. What's my quest?
Ah, right. Salutations, Sir James. It seems my clever brethren have taken control of the funhouse at the carnival.
Well done. All that education and now you run a funhouse? Genius.
You simple-minded, noble foot soldier. The football team is going to be there this afternoon. You could really cause them some problems.
Okay, explain it to me on our way over.
There's not much to explain. Just access the control rooms through the maintenance doors. Then do your thing.
Cool.
Moonwalk. Oh, ooh, yeah, huh.